We have changed the way directionality works. If you wore hearing aids in the past, all sounds were in omnidirectional mode. You could hear bass sounds as well as speech around you, but in noisy situations the noise overpowers speech, making conversations impossible to follow. Directionality was developed to overcome this challenge. It allows the user to focus on sounds in front of him. Speech was now well heard, but the low-frequency bass sounds disappeared. As a result, the equalizers in the hearing aid would sometimes try to compensate for the lack of low frequencies, often leaving the sound distorted and unclear. So we developed SoundScape. This technology preserves all frequencies, giving sound a more natural feeling. We combine good speech understanding in noise from directional mode with great bass sound quality for lower frequencies. The result? Excellent speech understanding in noise and superb sound quality.